was a good idea?
Whoa! We're running on empty over here.
I know what you mean. I'm not feeling so hot.
Well, I'm not gonna say I told you so, bud. I told you so! Is everyone okay?
Yeah, but I don't know about boring.
What did I tell you? What did I tell you? Oh no, it's happening again. All right, people, battle station. I need you to be professional.
No sweat, Boba Fett.
What now?
I said no sweat, Boba Fett.
Is that a new catchphrase?
Maybe.
Whatever happened to Nito Burrito? That was aces.
Totally over it. That catchphrase was not catching on.
Dude, you gotta give it a chance.
Here, I think I've got something.
All right, let's get this catastrophe up on the big screen. Dude, that's the wrong catastrophe.
Wait for it. Wait for it. Whoa, that was horrible.
What the what? Is he in space?
It gets worse. The radar's picking up a UFO.
Unintentional flaming orange.
Surrender your planet now, or be destroyed!
See you later, Darth Vader.
Come on, that was totally a Neo Burrito moment.
Oh, forget about the catchphrase. Look at these numbers.
But at this rate, words could turn time backwards.
Whoa, it's just like Superman the movie.
Ah, dude, I love that scene.
What just happened?
John!
Same old. Hot sauce wants to party.
In your mouth!
Ew, gross.
But where's Orange?
Beats me. I haven't seen him since forever.
I said it's Tyrannosaurus. You should be my wife.
Hey, what is that? Whoa, now that's what I call